At SnapAutos, we believe you should get paid top dollar for your vehicle and shouldn't have to waste time with lowball offers and bait and switch games. Our process is simple and is designed to maximize the value you receive for your vehicle by helping you receive multiple bids all in one place, freaky fast. So how does it work? First, submit a few details about your vehicle like make, model, trim, and condition. Once you submit, you'll be able to get a market-specific valuation for your vehicle. If you like your instant offer and like to accept, we'll set up a time to either schedule a pickup or a drop-off and you'll get paid on the spot. Or choose to work with our VIP team who help you get multiple offers from our network of certified dealer partners. They'll simply submit just your vehicle information to our partner network. Within 72 hours, you'll receive multiple bids that you can pick and choose from. If you choose to accept one of the offers, you'll be paid on the spot. No waiting for checks to come in the mail or buyers to show up at your door. We've seen sellers get thousands more than the instant offer from bids in our network. The truth is, your car is worth less and less every day that passes. We're here to make sure you can get the most amount of money in the least amount of time. So if you've got a car to sell, visit SnapAutos.com and skip the hassle, not the money.